You're ready to jump into the pool. It's hot, it's perfect, and then you look down. Leaves, sand, random mystery stuff. Yeah, not happening. Now imagine this. You wake up, walk outside, and your pool is already spotless. No net, no scrubbing, no, I'll do it later. That's exactly what this thing promises. The Beatbot Sora 70 Pool Vacuum Robot. And today, we're putting it to the test. Alright, so this isn't just another pool vacuum. This is a full-on 4-in-1 cleaning robot. It doesn't just clean the floor, it climbs walls, scrubs the waterline, and yeah, it even skims the surface. Basically, it's trying to replace everything you normally do, or pay someone to do. So the real question is, does it actually pull that off? So we didn't go easy on it. We threw in leaves, we dumped sand, basically turned a clean pool into a mini disaster zone. Dropped the Sora 70 in, and at first, it just floats there like, give me a second. Then it fills with water, sinks, and boom, starts moving on its own. No remote control, no babysitting, just doing its thing. And right away, you notice something weird. These little jets up front. That's their jet pulse system. And it's not just for show. So here's what's happening. Instead of chasing leaves around like most cleaners, it actually guides them in. You've got water jets pulling debris inward, while side jets keep everything from escaping. And when it works, it's kind of satisfying. Leaves just disappear. Now, I'll be real, it's not magic every single time. Big clumps can still mess with it a bit. But for everyday stuff, pollen, bugs, floating debris, it handles that way better than anything I've seen. Then we tested the bottom. We dumped fine sand across the pool floor, the kind that usually sticks around forever. And this is where it got impressive. One pass. Got most of it. A couple more. Basically, spotless. What surprised me more though, how it sticks to the walls. It literally pushes itself against the surface using water pressure, so it can scrub while climbing. And yeah, it actually stays up there, not slipping, not struggling, just quietly doing the job. Now here's where it feels smart. When it's done, it doesn't just sit at the bottom like older robots. It comes up, floats, parks itself at the edge, and even drains water so it's lighter to lift. That alone saves so much hassle. You can control it from the app too, especially on the surface. But once it's underwater, it's on autopilot. And yeah, I wish you could control it down there. But honestly, no one's really cracked that yet. So here's the honest take. If your pool looks like a swamp after months of neglect, this isn't your miracle fix. This is a maintenance machine. Use it regularly, and your pool just stays clean. Like a robot vacuum for your house. And if you're paying someone weekly, this thing could literally pay for itself in one summer. At the end of the day, this isn't about cleaning faster. It's about not cleaning at all. Throw it in, walk away, come back to a clean pool. That's the whole point. And honestly, the Beatbot Sora 70 Pool Vacuum Robot gets really, really close to that perfect experience. So, would you trust a robot with your pool? Or are you still grabbing the net? Let me know.